Welcome back everyone, I'm Will.
And I'm Anna, and today's episode is one of those that can genuinely change the way you think about income, work, and even your future.
Yeah, because today we're not just talking about making money. We're talking about building multiple income streams, and more importantly, how to do it in a way that's realistic.
Exactly, because I think we need to address something right away. There's a lot of misinformation online.
A lot.
People see things like, make passive income overnight, earn while you sleep with zero effort, and it creates this false expectation.
Yeah, it sounds great, but it's not how it actually works.
Exactly. Building multiple income streams is not about shortcuts. It's about systems. Systems that generate income, scale over time, and reduce dependency on one source.
And I think that's the real goal, right? Not just making more money, but having more control.
Exactly. Freedom comes from options. And today we're going to break that down step by step. What income streams actually are, how to build them from scratch, how to layer them, and how AI helps you do this faster. We'll give real examples, not just theory. Let's get into it.
Let's start deeper than usual, because I feel like people hear multiple income streams, but they don't fully understand what that actually means in practice.
Yes, and this is important. Because if you misunderstand this, you'll build the wrong strategy. Multiple income streams are not just different ways to make money. They are different systems that generate income in different ways.
That's a big difference.
Exactly. Let me give you a clearer structure. Active income requires your time directly. Leveraged income requires setup, then less time. Automated income runs mostly on its own.
So it's a spectrum.
Yes, and most people make the mistake of trying to jump straight to automated income. They skipping the foundation.
So what should someone focus on first?
Building a strong active income stream.
Let's slow this down, because this is where everything starts. Someone listening right now, no audience, no product, maybe some skills. What exactly should they do in week 1?
Week 1 is all about clarity and positioning. And this is where AI becomes incredibly powerful. Using ChatGPT, you can literally map your entire starting strategy.
Okay, give me a real prompt someone could use.
Something like, based on my skills in X, what services can I offer that people would pay for?
So you're extracting value from what you already know.
Exactly. And then you validate it. You ask, what problems does my target audience have? You connect skill with problem and with solution. And that becomes your first income stream.
I like that. It makes it feel much more tangible. Now here's where I think things get tricky. People hear multiple income streams and immediately try to build 5 things at once.
Yes, and that's one of the biggest mistakes.
So when is the right time to add a second stream?
When your first stream is stable and predictable, not when you're still figuring it out.
What should that second stream be?
Usually a digital product, because it allows you to scale without increasing your time. Let's say you're offering social media consulting. You start noticing that clients ask the same questions.
Which means patterns.
Exactly, and those patterns become your product.
This is one of my favorite parts, turning content into a sales machine. Because content is everywhere, but very few people actually monetize it effectively.
Yes, because they treat content as entertainment, not as a system.
So how do you turn content into revenue?
By designing it with intention. Every piece of content should have a role: attract, educate, convert, not just random posting.
Let's talk about the real advantage here, AI, because this is where everything scales. Without AI, this would take a team.
Exactly. Now one person can create content, build products, analyze data. Here's a simple system. 1. Idea, ChatGPT. 2. Content creation. 3. Repurposing. 4. Distribution. 5. Monetization. One idea becomes an ecosystem.
Let's build a full case. From zero to multiple income streams.
Okay, let's say someone starts in fitness. Step 1. Coaching, active income. Step 2. Meal plan, digital product. Step 3. Affiliate supplements. Step 4. YouTube monetization. From one niche you have 4 streams.
Let's be honest, where do people fail even after starting?
Trying to scale too fast. Not understanding their audience. Ignoring data. Burnout.
Burnout is huge.
Yes, and AI helps prevent that.
This episode really shows that building income is not magic. It's structured and repeatable. If there's one takeaway,
start with one stream, then build the second, then scale, and use AI the entire way. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe and share it. And we'll see you in the next one.